the proposed Senate resolution honoring the life, legacy, and outstanding contributions of Rene Clert Bobet Baterbonia. Maraming salamat po sa aking colleague, Senator Robin Padilla, for sponsoring this resolution that I truly believe in. Mr. President, ang kwento ni Bobet ay kwento ng maraming Pilipino. Isang batang nangarap na maiyahon ang kanyang pamilya sa kahirapan. Isang batang naniwalang sa sipag, tiyaga, disiplina, at malinis na paraan, maaaring mabago ang iyong kinabukasan. As a mother with a son, I was truly touched by the story of this young man. Bobet's story is the story of countless Filipinos who continue to fight fairly despite the limitations life has placed before them. He proved that success is not determined by where you come from, but by the values you uphold, the sacrifices you make, and the determination to keep moving forward every day. That is why the loss of Bobet is truly heartbreaking. It is more than a loss of life, but a true disappointment because it was an inspiring life but shortened. It also shows that sometimes, regardless of how fair that fight for success was fought, regardless of how honest and honorable his journey was, justice may sometimes seem out of reach. Para sa akin po, naaalala ko po na ang isang tunay na malaya at makatarungang lipunan, walang mayaman dito, walang mahirap. Walang makapangyarihan, walang mahina. Lahat ay pantay-pantay sa harap ng batas. Lahat ay may karapatan mangarap at lahat ay may karapatang makamit ang katotohanan at hustisya. This story also reminds me of a life so beautifully lived, but that justice and truth should not be selective, but equal for all. Justice for Bobet is justice for every Filipino who believes that doing what is right should never be a disadvantage. It is justice for every child who dreams of lifting their family out of poverty. It is justice for every young athlete who believes that talent, discipline, and hard work should define or can define their future. For now, I would like to simply honor the beautiful life of Rene Bobet Baterbonia. He was not just an amazing athlete, but also an amazing son, brother, friend. He is an inspiration not just for student athletes, but for all young people and for all Filipinos. Ipinakita niya na hindi bawal ang mangarap at walang imposible.